that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta is plus undi ikkada into untundi. So you have to show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. So cot theta, you recall the formula. So cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta, write down, by cos theta. So this is LHS. So LHS is equal to, by using formula you write down in the place of cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So you take LCM, sin theta into cos theta. So by using LCM step, sin get cancelled and cos into cos square theta. Same number mari. Divide the LCM by the denominator and multiply to the numerator. So sin square theta. Sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta. Cos cancel, sin into sin square. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Write down. Next, 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Give 1 by sin theta, you know that cosecant theta into secant theta. So hence the solution is completed. Write down. So cos theta by sin theta. Any doubt? Chana simple, yeah. We are using sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity we are using, and 1 by sin is equal to cosecant theta, and 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Now the solution is completed. The next question. I am going to the next question. Show that tan square theta. Show that tan square theta. Show that tan square theta into tan 4 power theta is equal to secant 4 theta secant square theta.
Sir, tan square plus sir.
Yes,
plus minus sir.
Yes, plus minus secant square theta. Okay. It అయిపోయిందా? Previous one అయిపోయిందా?
Yes sir.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
Okay. And now you recall the second identity because secant and tan is there. So you recall the second identity. Here 1 plus, write down, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Recall the, or you write down the second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, or secant square theta minus 1. అన్ని రాసేసుకున్నాడు అంటే మనకి secant to tan ఉంది కాబట్టి you write second identity. Now by taking LHS, write down LHS. Write down tan square theta plus tan 4 power theta is equal to, so a power 4 means a square into a square. A square into a square. Similarly, tan power 4 means tan square into tan square. Therefore, tan square theta plus tan square theta into tan square theta. Now, to take common factor is equal to tan square theta as a common factor, you take outside. Next 1 plus, what remains here? Nothing is remains. That means 1 is remains while taking the common factor. Because tan square into 1, tan square. 0 కాదు, ఇక్కడ 0 పెడితే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? tan square into 0 అయిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి 1 ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఏమీ లేకపోతే కామన్ తీసినప్పుడు ఏమీ లేదు అనిపించినప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది. సో అంటే బ్యాక్ క్యాల్కులేషన్, you do back calculation, tan square theta into 1 tan square theta. Now tan square theta remains in the RHS. Now go for formula. Secant square tan square theta, where is tan square? Tan square is equal to secant square minus 1. So in the place of tan square, write down secant square theta minus 1. In the place of 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square theta. Now you multiply secant x square into x square, x power 4. Similarly, secant square into secant square is equal to secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square, secant square theta. Hence, it is equal to RHS. So we have taken LHS by using formula. We proved it is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Write down. Next example 15. Example 15. ఏమై అర్థమైందా ఇది? Are you following? 15th example. So prove that PT అంటే prove that root of 1 plus cos theta, root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta by, I think it is visible to you. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta. So the prove check. So prove that 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now you recall the rationalization in the 9th class. In the real numbers, you know that rationalizing the denominator. That means making denominator as real rational number. So in similar manner, you take LHS 1 plus cos theta. See the board and write down 1 minus cos theta is equal to, what is the denominator? 1 minus cos theta is there. So you multiply numerator and denominator with opposite sign, because 1 minus cos theta is there. So 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So it is just similar to rationalization. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, a into a square. So 1 plus cos theta whole square, 1 plus cos theta whole square by a minus b into a plus b. A means 1, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square means 1 square 1. See the board, a square means 1 square minus cos square theta. Now root of 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by, you know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. First identity, sin square theta. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now what is the denominator? 1 minus cos square. So if the plus is there, when you take cos square to other side, it becomes 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta. Okay. First step board కనిపించదు. First step చదివేస్తాను. మీరు write down the notes. Write down 1 plus cos theta whole square. So 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square, because you know that, see the board, a square by b square is nothing but a by b whole square. Like that you have to write 1 plus cos theta whole square by sin square theta, similar to a square by b square is equal to a by b whole square. Now 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square, square root get cancelled, and you will get right. 1 by is equal to 1 by 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Now you know that 1 by sin theta becomes cosecant theta, reciprocal. These two are reciprocal to each other. Cot theta. So hence the proof is completed. Write down. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ స్టెప్ నుంచి ఈ స్టెప్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఈ స్టెప్ నుంచి 1 by sin theta ప్లస్ మీ ఇల్లు గోల్ చేస్తున్నారు, స్టాప్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ రైట్ డౌన్. All right. Right to the next question. 11.4. First question. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Write down 1 plus tan theta plus secant. 1 plus tan theta into secant into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So you have to simplify or evaluate. Write down the question. Solution. Write down the question. ఎందుకంటే లెంతీగా వస్తుంది, రాసేసుకోండి. We know that tan theta is equal to 1 plus, write down sin theta by cos theta. అన్ని సింపుల్ గా ఉంటాయి, ఏం బాధపడాల్సిన అవసరం లే, చాలా సింపుల్ అనమాట. 1 by again cos theta, చూడండి ఈజీగా ఉంది. Again 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Write down tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, secant theta means 1 by cos theta, cot cos by sin, cosecant 1 by sin. These are reciprocal. Sin and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. Secant and cos are reciprocal to each other. Now write down in the first bracket. What is the LCM? Cos theta is the LCM. So cos theta into 1, cos theta, LCM step baga ravali. Sin theta atle untundi. Cos theta get cancelled and you will get sin theta as it is. Same, cos theta get cancelled and you will get 1 as it is. Now first bracket completed. Now second bracket. Coming to second bracket. Now sin theta is the LCM. Therefore sin theta into 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So this is the LCM step completed. Write down the steps. Now when you observe the steps, you see that sin theta plus cos theta. This is A అనుకుంటాం. This is also A. చూస్తారా, దీన్ని బార్ బ్రాకెట్ అంటాం. How many types of the brackets? Bar bracket అంటాం దీన్ని. Small bracket, lower bracket, big bracket or square bracket. So there are 4 types of brackets are there. Bar bracket, small bracket, lower bracket, big bracket. Now we are using bar bracket. Sin theta plus cos theta. That means a. Now you see the numerators. A plus 1, a plus 1, a minus 1. That means a square minus b square. So a square. So what is a square? In the place of a, sin theta plus cos theta is there. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 whole square, because a minus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now cos theta into denominator. So cos theta into sin theta. So this is the denominator. అంతే అనుకుంటాను. రైట్ డౌన్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్స్. నేను రబ్ చేస్తాను, బోర్డు అంతే కనిపించేది మీకు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. a plus b whole square. Write down the word. Draw a vertical line and write down a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in the place of a sin is there, in the place of b cos is there, a plus b whole square. So write down a plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. So 1 square means 1. Cos theta into sin theta. So cos theta into sin theta. And rub చేస్తాను చూడండి. Write down the steps. Okay na?
Yes sir, complete sir.
Next. Now see the board. Again you draw bar bracket. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. 1 get cancelled. Again denominator cos theta into sin theta. So is equal to 2 is the answer, because sin get cancelled, cos get cancelled. Or you write down one more step. Sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. So sin cancel, cos cancel. So 2 is the answer. Write down. So now the simplification is completed. Next question I will explain. To try yourself. Next question, write down the next question. Try to solve the by using a plus whole square formula. Right, next question. What is the next question? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Sin theta, write down sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to you write down a plus b whole square, or draw a vertical line, because a plus b is there, here a minus b is there. Write down a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now expand first term. So sin theta plus cos theta. Sin a plus b. A square means sin square. B square means cos square. So like that, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is the expansion of first term. Again plus is there, so plus is there. Second term, expansion of second term. Again a minus b whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now step is complete. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta cancel to each other. Sin square cos square 1. Again sin square cos square plus 1 is equal to 2 is the answer. Write down. Next. Aindamaya? Completed?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, next question. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So you write down identities. You write down, what are the identities? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So here secant square theta minus 1 is there. So you take minus tan square to the other side. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Similarly, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Write down yourself. Cosecant square theta is minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Now write down tan square theta into cot square theta. We know that tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to, because these two are reciprocal. So write down tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta, because reciprocal to each other, tan and cot. Now the answer is 1. కాబట్టి మనకు ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని కూడా మన మైండ్ లో ఉంటే గనా, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. Shall I have the board?
Sir.
Okay, sir. Left, sir. Complete, sir. Complete, sir. రాసుకున్నాం సార్.
అర్థమైంది కదా?
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది సార్.
Next question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Write down second question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to, write down cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Antena? Okay. Now you take LHS. You take LHS. So LHS. Write down LHS is equal to, so don't write RHS, only write LHS. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So what is cosecant? Cosecant means reciprocal 1 by sin theta minus cos theta divided by, neat గా రాయాలి స్టెప్లు. ఎంత స్టెప్స్ అంత నీట్ గా రాస్తే అంత నీట్ గా వస్తుంది. సో ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ cosecant theta you write down 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. In the place of cot theta, cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now what is the LCM? Denominators are same. So LCM is sin theta. LCM is sin theta. So numerators comes as it is. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay. Now రాసుకోండి 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Why? ఎందుకయ్యా? a square is equal to a into a లాగా 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. ఇక్కడ డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Just like a by b whole square is equal to a square by b square. Right down a by b whole square. So a by b is equal to a square. A square means again a into a. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. Now write down in the place of sin square theta, recall corollaries 1 minus cos square theta. So in the next step you write 1 minus cos square theta. ఎందుకంటే బోర్డు జాలపు వస్తుంది. రైట్ డౌన్ Okay. Next step. This and there. Okay. Again 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Here sin square is there. So in the place of sin square, you have to write 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 means 1 square రాసుకోవచ్చు. 1 means 1 square. Next step. What is the next step? Again 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. In the denominator, a square minus b square. చూస్తే ఎన్ని జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే బాగా వస్తాయి. సో a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta get cancelled to each other. You will get RHS. What is RHS? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to RHS. Once again, you have to write the RHS. Second time, you write the RHS and write as it is. LHS. Finally, LHS is equal to RHS. ఈ విధంగా మనము కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటాం. A by b whole square is equal to a square by b square. A square is equal to a into a. These are all very, very small things to remember. Next question. Next question. Chas make వదిలేస్తున్నా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది. క్వశ్చన్ రాస్తాను. సేమ్ టు సేమ్ రేషనలైజేషన్ చెప్పినా కదా రూట్ లెక్క ఆ విధంగా చేయాలి. సో రైట్ డౌన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ట్రై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Show that 1 plus sin a by 1 minus 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Secant a plus tan a. Try చేయండి మీరే ట్రై చేయండి. ఇక్కడ మార్చుకున్నప్పుడు మీరు లెక్కలు తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు ఓన్ గా లెక్కలు తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్ బై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. But in the LCM 1 minus sin a. So ఏం చేయాలా? You multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Same as it is in the example. Example ఎట్లా చేసినామో అన్ని స్టెప్లు వస్తాయి. సేమ్ టు సేమ్. ప్లస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటే కనుక ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తున్నాను. అంటే డినామినేటర్ లో అగైనెస్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది సైన్. Okay, try to solve this problem. Next question. Show that 1 minus tan square a. Write down 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a minus 1. Sorry, cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Is equal to tan square a. Write down the problem. Write down the problem. All right. Take LHS. LHS is equal to దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా చేయొచ్చు అంటే రెండు రకాలు చేసుకోవచ్చు. బై యూజింగ్ సైన్ థీటా బై కాస్ థీటా ఆర్ కాస్ థీటా బై సైన్ థీటా చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే మనం రెసిప్రోకల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. by using reciprocal of tan or cot. See right now 1 minus, see the board, 1 by, see the 1 by cot square a denominator. Don't change the denominator. Cot square a minus 1. Don't change denominator. Only use reciprocal of tan square a 1 by cot square a, because you know that tan is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Write down tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. ఇది సింపుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సైన్ కాస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? లెంతీగా వస్తుంది ప్రాబ్లం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్సిఎం ఇన్ ద న్యూమరేటర్? cot square a. Cot square a into 1, cot square a. This is the third step. The gap should be maintained between n is 2 steps. So here he leaves a gap. So cot square a minus 1 by cot square a minus 1. Now cot cot square a minus 1 cot square a cancel
sir. Reciprocal sir.
Yes, cot square a minus 1 by cot square a. Okay, దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం by 1 అని రాసుకుంటే if we write like this cot square a minus 1, the next step
1 by
becomes yes,
1 by
1
cot square.
1 by
Cot square.
cot square a minus. So this is equal to each other, therefore cancel to each other. So 1 by cot square, 1 by cot square. Yes, sorry, no problem. In that is equal to tan square a. That's all. So is equal to RHS. So చూడండి చాలా ఈజీ. tan square బదులు 1 by cot square రాసుకున్నాం. LCM తీసుకున్నాము. దీని న్యూమరేటర్ లో LCM తీసుకున్నాము. డినామినేటర్ లో కూడా ఫ్రాక్షన్ గా రాసుకున్నాము. Cot square minus 1 by 1 becomes 1 by cot square a minus. Cot square a minus 1, cot square a minus as a whole, they cancel to each other. And what remains? 1 by cot square remains. So 1 by cot square nothing but tan square theta or tan square whatever it may be. Write down. Don't talk. Okay, next question. Next question. Color of the board. Board
Yes, sir.
na.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Complete, sir.
అర్థమవుతున్నాయా?
అర్థమవుతున్నాయి సార్.
ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఎండింగ్ వచ్చినాము ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఇంకా ఫాస్ట్ రాకపోతే ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. షో దట్ 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Tan theta into sin theta. So this is the question. These are all 1 mark questions. 1 mark question ivanni kuda. Now you take LCM. So cos theta. So 1 as it is. Cos into cos. LCM doubt unte adagachu. LCM doubt unte adagachu. LHS is equal to, don't write this one, this question. Okay, atle undani. RTP. RTP is RHS. Okay, no problem. Now take LHS, you take LCM. So what is the LCM? Cos theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos square. So what is 1 minus cos square? By using first identity.
Sin square theta, sir.
Yes, very good. Sin square theta, very good. Sin square theta by cos theta. What is a square? A into A. Sin square theta also sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into
Sin theta by cos theta.
By cos theta. Now you know that sin theta by cos theta, nothing but tan theta. Okay. Tan into sin వచ్చేసింది కదా.
Sir, tan theta into sin theta.
Sin theta. చూస్తారా, trigonometry లో you make any number of questions like this. మీరే ఓన్ గా తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆన్సర్ కూడా మీరే తయారు చేసి పెట్టచ్చు. ఒక్కొక్క క్వశ్చన్ కి 2 ఆన్సర్లు కానీ 3 ఆన్సర్లు కూడా వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇదొక ఆన్సర్, ప్రతి స్టెప్ ఒక ఆన్సర్ ఇక్కడ. 1 2 3 4. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సింప్లిఫై అన్నాడు. సింప్లిఫై తప్పు చేసినా
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simplify. Next question. Secant A. Right now, secant A. 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Secant A plus tan A. Now see this is the question. So by observing the question, so what do you notice? Secant theta ఉంది, tan theta ఉంది, కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. By using the second identity, you have to simplify. The answer is 1. 1 అని తెలిసిపోతుంది ఆన్సర్. ఎందుకంటే a plus b ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు a minus b వచ్చేస్తుంది. చూడండి ఒకసారి. Write down secant a into 1. Secant a minus, see this one, secant a into sin a. Multiplication. A into b minus c, a into b minus a into c, sin a, secant a into 1 secant a minus minus secant a into sin a. So don't change secant a plus tan a. Very good. Now you know that secant a. What is secant a? 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a. Into sin a. Answer కనిపిస్తుంది కంటికి కనిపించలేదా మేడం? sin a by cos a tan a. సో secant a minus tan a, secant a plus tan a ఏమవుతుంది? secant a minus tan a into secant a plus tan a. So a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Secant square a minus tan square a, it is nothing but 1. అంతే. ఆ ఫార్ములాని రాబడితే అయిపోయాం మనం అంతే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనం ఏం చేసినాం? డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ a into b minus c, a into b minus a into c. Here secant a can be written as 1 by cos a, sin a by cos a, tan a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, secant square theta minus tan square theta. You know that this is second identity, is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి బిట్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి secant a into sin a dash అంటే tan a. secant a into sin a dash అన్నాం అనుకోండి, ఒక బిట్ సింపుల్ గా tan a. చూసా అట్లా మనం థింక్ చేసుకుంటే ఎన్నైనా వస్తావా?
సార్ 1 minute ఉంది సార్. 1 minute ఉంది సార్ లాస్ట్.
ఉన్నీలా చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, ట్రై చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ 1 minute లో కుదరదు, 1 minute లో అయ్యే లెక్కలు కాదు ఇవి. ఓకే ఒకటి చెప్తాను చూద్దాం.